What lessons you've learned the hard way in your leadership that you might share and maybe save some people those mistakes?
You can't let your passion consume you. The things we really should be passionate about in life are, family, friends, life.
Right.
We have to strike that balance. And I think I had to struggle with that, early in my career.
I'm constantly reminded of, even at home, and that is to be more patient. And so, my instincts in general are oriented toward action and results. At least when I was younger, it was certainly harder for me to filter or contextualize that the right way.
It is absolutely a luxury to be able to develop friendships and personal rapport with people. But when the time comes, you need to have a culture of accountability and direct feedback that you can still have those tough conversations. And it may even in some cases not end that well, and it might compromise your friendship.
I really do believe that the strength of a team and your integrity to be able to communicate a plan is what makes the team powerful, what makes the team grow.
Don't play it safe. Try to tackle the hard things. It'll be so much more rewarding, and you'll learn so much and grow so much. And I got to tell you, you'll be better for it in the long term.